May we ask you for your blessings and guidance so that the activities set for this undertaking be successful. We ask you to open our eyes to see the wonderful things from this activity, to think wisely, put us with understanding, open our hearts so that we may receive your effort, that you are with us all throughout the day. We ask all this.
The lecture on agarwood farming and investment. Let us call on Mr. Edgar Alan Monreal. A round of applause, please.
Magandang umaga sa inyong tanan. Hybrid na yon. So, buenos dias para sa mga taga Zamboanga. So, ayan, today, gagawin natin yung pinaka-meat, yung agarwood farming. Yun nga, yung spirit nito, why we're doing it, of course, may bayad, no? Because of the admin, operating, and logistics cost of holding this training. But ang pinaka-essence nito is yun nga, ma-share, no? I, for one, will share our farm's best practices. And then we have the technology of 3 countries. We have Thailand, we have Malaysia, and sa Philippines. We are taking pride, no? We take pride with our approach in the sharing because we will leave it up to you kung ano yung gusto mo and what is best for you, for us Filipinos sa technology. Walang personalities dito, okay, if you get what I mean. So let's do away with that and let's work what is best for us. Okay? So we will give the option. So again, tatlong technologies ang i-present namin sa inyo. And walang NDA, walang forcing sa MOA or anything like that. Okay? Because if you want to truly give, no, dapat no strings attached. And the more you give, the more you receive. The abundance mentality that there's plenty for everyone. On regenerative agriculture and in forestry. So agarwood, kakao, coffee, ganyan and everything. So yun, nagpunta na kayo sa best practices. So yung isa, sabi niya, what about you? Ano yung best practices mo? So ang sabi niya, best cacao. Okay, among all of you, 20. Do you think he can command the price? The chain is only strongest at its weakest link. Just like any plant, no? Ang dami nagtatanong sa halaman. Ano ba magandang fertilizer? Hindi mo hanapin yung magandang fertilizer. Ang hanapin mo yung pinakamababa dun sa lupa. Because the plant can only do so much. Its growth will be determined by the minutest or smallest nutrient na nakukuha niya. So, yung plant nyo, yung growth niya will be determined by the least nutrient, macro, micro, trace elements in your soil. Yan yung sa ina-apply nyo. Okay? So, ganun din tayo ngayon. The makings of an industry, we have to share. Okay? So, I hope this will be a enjoyable, intellectually stimulating, and thought-provoking lecture for all of us.